In the 2019 playoffs, Kevin Durant and Patrick Beverley were going at it. Both of them got ejected for Game 1, and many thought that Patrick Beverley was winning the matchup.
Durant who barks at him. Durant, they're both out. They've both been just thrown out of the game.
In Game 2, the Clippers came back from 31 points in the third quarter to win. Kevin Durant took only 8 shots. The media quickly suggested that KD was being passive, that Patrick Beverley got in his head, which Kevin Durant responded with a simple statement.
I'm not gonna get in the way of the game because, I want to have a little back and forth with Patrick Beverley. I'm Kevin Durant. You know who I am. Y'all know who I am.
The stats the next 4 games of that series: 38, 33, 45, and 50 points to send the Clippers home, reminding everyone exactly who Kevin Durant is.